Alright guys, this is real life of James and Di. This is one of the properties we have to rehab. We have 4 to 5 days. So we can get somebody up in here. Now y'all looking at like, how the hell y'all gonna do that? But this, we gonna get it done. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Few windows to fix here. Nice big closet. This room is dark. We got some new cabinets we gotta put in place. Paint those. Fix the garage door. So I'll show y'all the end product when we're done. Alright guys, so we back again for day 2. So we fix the ceiling. Still gotta sand it, paint it, everything. Fix some of the holes that's in the wall, getting ready for paint. Still got these floors. We're gonna make the floors look real nice. Don't worry. Again, right there. We got all the countertops. Yep. Yeah, so we on day 3. Painted some of the rooms. Still. Paint the bathroom. Gotta repaint this wall again. Haven't touched this room yet. It's kind of soon. Fix a hole in the wall right behind there. Started with this room yesterday. Couldn't finish it. Ran out of paint. So, about to get to it, right, guys. So this is day 4. Almost done. Finally painted that room. It's decent. Hopefully this will be the last day. Gotta paint this. Paint it out real good. Paint this room, gotta repaint that door. Kitchen coming along. Got the countertop yesterday. Gotta repaint this room. We gotta redo all the floors. By the end of the day and we'll be done. Finish the painting countertops. For the cabinets. Alright, so this is day 5. I think one of those days. Almost done in here. Just gotta get all the trash, everything up out. Still some of that dry. Almost done. Here, doing a hot water tank. Main man, Lil J. We'll be done. Alright guys, like I've been updating y'all, this is the end of day 5. And we completely got somebody moved in. We was rushing, you know what I mean? We was doing everything, it was a good process, whatever. But we got everything completed. Remember how the ceiling was looking? Everything's all clean now. Y'all see I'm all dirty. Look at Danisha.
Why not?
Yeah. I already showed him himself. So you weren't paying attention, like always.
Quick.
But yeah.
It's gonna be like 1 second.
So yeah, she's the tenant's already moving in. She was ready to go. So that's why we was kind of rushing, trying to get everything done. This is all y'all see the hardwood floors. While you walking in front of the camera.
And move out the way.
Got the hair painted everywhere. This room, I kind of wish we had to replace both of those mirror windows. But I kind of wish I would have stained this floor a little bit, changed the color on it, whatever. But I just put probably everything on it, so it's okay. This is just a little Nolan floor that came with the house, nothing special. These hardwood floors too, mostly throughout the whole house. We redid the whole kitchen other than the top cabinets. Whatever, as y'all can see, looks pretty good. I had to paint the cabinets out. And that's pretty much it. See how big the kitchen is? I'm all the way back to the kitchen. So, but yeah guys, this is real life with James and Di. You know what I mean? This is what we do. So, anything you want to say, anything to say?
This is like a small flip. So let me tell you how I like to save money as well. Come on. So these cabinets at the top was already here. I was like, let's just keep them. She didn't really mind, so we just painted over them to make it wider. And then we got all new countertops, cabinets at the bottom, and just kind of like matched it, just to save some money.
Yep.
So this is like we saved a lot more money in this house, I should say.
Yeah. The AC unit was a lot of money, whatever. But yeah. Other than that, it was pretty good.
I mean, the cabinets look fine to me, so I'm like, let's just keep them.
Yep. So, all right, we out, y'all. Peace. Let's go. So Jane, first time getting the paint gun. That's too far. You too far. Get closer.